Jurong Innovation District is a one-stop advanced manufacturing hub and home to a vibrant ecosystem of R&D centers, capability developers, solution enablers, and innovation adopters. By locating Makino's Additive Manufacturing Center of Excellence in JID, we hope to foster partnerships with more industry partners and institutions. Businesses can have new opportunities to cross-collaborate and leverage each other's expertise and knowledge to advance their additive manufacturing capabilities and strengthen competitiveness. Makino's latest Center of Excellence for Additive Manufacturing, or AM, in JID will actually both be a demonstrator and an R&D facility. Firstly, it serves to demonstrate Makino's products and solutions for metal AM, including post-processing, automation and digitalization with focus on industrial applications and actual production scenario. So secondly, it's also an R&D facility where we develop solutions to push the boundaries of AM. Post-processing has always been a major bottleneck for AM industrial adoption, and we aim to provide and develop innovative post-processing technologies that would actually allow wider applications of AM. So at our new center, customers can actually look forward to complete additive to subtractive production process and how our knowledge of post-processing actually facilitates design for AM with lower overall part costs, as well as faster design times and actually less rejections and iterations due to trial and error. AM equipment and software, and as well as the related skilled labor, are actually very heavy investment for many companies. So our new center will support the manufacturing sector by first offering design consultancy and prototyping services. Secondly, supporting manufacturers' initial exploration into AM. And lastly, showcasing the complete process right to the final part qualification, giving manufacturers the confidence to take the step into AM. Makino truly believes in delivering the best solutions to customers through R&D and partnerships. With a wide portfolio of products and solutions, and our global team with vast experience in R&D, manufacturing and application support are our biggest assets. Our latest Center of Excellence for Additive Manufacturing provides not only a direct window to Makino's capabilities and support, but also as the only machine tool manufacturer in Singapore with both product and application development capabilities. We believe we can offer a lot to the ecosystem in JID. We welcome new opportunities to work with the community in JID to solve the evolving challenges faced by the industry and customers.